Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Apple TV step by step clearly. To activate Disney Plus on your Apple TV, start by ensuring your Apple TV is connected. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store. Search for Disney Plus using the search feature. Select the Disney Plus app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Disney Plus app. You will see the login screen. If you already have a Disney Plus account, select Login. For new users, choose Sign Up to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create your password. After logging in, you'll be directed to the home screen. Look for the Activate option, which may prompt you to visit a specific website. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to the provided activation link. Enter the activation code from your Apple TV screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Apple TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Disney Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.